Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Now, as we all know that the Harmattan season is fast approaching, that is, December is already here. And during this December period, very soon Harmattan is going to start, and we all know what Harmattan is associated with, right? Harmattan is actually associated with dry skin. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can achieve a healthy and a glowing skin even during this Harmattan period. If you know you don't want your skin to be looking dull, then there are certain important things you need to take into consideration during this Harmattan period. So I'll just be going through some skincare tips. That is how you achieve a healthy glowing skin, and also I'll be giving you some good skincare products that you can actually try out during this Harmattan period. So the first skincare tip is that you need a moisturizing and a hydrating product. Now, when I talk about moisturizing and hydrating products, take for example, I'm not trying to talk down on the brand I'm about to mention. Actually, the brand I am talking about is Dr. Teal's Vitamin C Body Lotion. Like that particular product, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to bring down the product, saying that the product is not nice and all those stuff. It's actually a nice brightening product, yeah. But you don't need product like Dr. Teal's Vitamin C Brightening Body Lotion. The reason why I'm saying it is that that product will not moisturize your skin very well during this Harmattan period. So you actually need a good product that will really help you to moisturize your skin. And then there's another product that I also want to mention, and this is it's actually a soap, and this is a soap that me particularly, I actually like the soap. And the soap I'm talking about is the K Brothers soap. Now, during the Harmattan period, it's not advisable that you make use of K Brothers soap, not because the soap is not good, but this soap really dries out the skin. Yes, K Brothers soap dries out the skin. So you need products that will really moisturize your skin. You need to go for highly moisturizing products, and also making use of salt scrubs is not advisable during this Harmattan period. The reason why is because salt scrub can actually dry out the skin. Take for example one of my favorite body scrub, which is the Cool Spa Turmeric and Salt Scrub. Like me personally, I really love that scrub, and that's the scrub I make use of. But unfortunately, during this Harmattan period, me making use of the Cool Spa Turmeric and Salt Scrub is going to literally dry out my skin. So you don't need salt scrub. You should aim for sugar scrub. Those are the type of scrub you should actually aim for. Scrub that will help you to moisturize your skin very well. Now, when it comes to products that will really hydrate your skin during the Harmattan period, it is very important that you make use of toners and serums, even essence. Yes, it is very important that you make use of this product. The reason why is because essence, toners, they will really help you to hydrate your skin. Yes, those products help to hydrate the skin. And aside from hydrating the skin that toners gives to the skin, toners are also going to help you, enable your other skincare products to absorb well into your skin. So toners and essence are very, very important. They will help you. They will give you more hydration on your skin. The same thing goes to serum. Serum will also give you more hydration on your skin. So making use of toners, essence, and also serums is very important during this Harmattan period, so that your skin can be well hydrated. Now, one of my favorite skincare products that this Harmattan period I sincerely cannot even do without it is body oil. Both body oil, face oil. Yes, if maybe you don't make use of a oil, that is, you don't make use of body oils or face oil, you see, during this Harmattan period, my dear, you really need to get a good body oil and a good face oil, the oil that will help you to moisturize your skin, because it is oil that will give you more moisture on your skin. When you make use of body oils, face oil, your skin will be feeling more moisturized. So making use of a good body oil and a good face oil during the Harmattan period is very important. And also make sure you are always using your sunscreen. Yes, because during this Harmattan period, the skin tends to dry out very fast. And when the skin is very, very dried, that is, the skin is so dehydrated, the skin is prone to a lot of things, a lot of environmental stressors. Take for example, excess exposure to sunlight. If the skin is dehydrated and you're not using enough sunscreen, when the sun hits on your skin, just imagine what it's going to be like. your skin will be easily prone to sun damage. Yes, because Harmattan on its own has already dried out. Like Harmattan on its own has already dehydrated your skin, and then you're not exposing your skin to sunlight. Like when the sunlight hits on your skin, it will damage your skin further because your skin is already feeling so dehydrated. So which means making use of a sunscreen is very important during this Harmattan period. If you know you want to achieve a healthy and a glowing skin during this Harmattan period, drinking enough water is very important, because when you drink enough water, you'll be very hydrated. And also when you're showering, we all know that in the morning hour, like most especially in the morning hour, the weather is always very cold during the Harmattan period. So when you're showering, please do not make mistake to use a hot water. It's advisable that you use a warm water. The reason why is because making use of hot water during the Harmattan period, like making use of hot water in general, is going to strip moisture off your skin, and it will make your skin feel very dehydrated. So that's the reason why making use of warm water instead is better, is more preferable than you making use of a hot water. Another thing that is very important during this Harmattan period is that you need to make use of hand cream. Yes, like if you don't want your hand to be looking dull, if you don't want your hand to be looking aged, if you don't want your hand to be looking that way, then hand cream is the solution. So you need to invest in a good hand cream. So hand cream is very important during this Harmattan period. So now that you know some skincare tips, let me quickly give you all some good skincare products you can make use of during the Harmattan period. I won't be going in depth explaining any of these skincare products, okay, but just be rest assured that each of these skincare products will help you hydrate and moisturize your skin. So the first product on my list is from the Cosrx brand, and that is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. So this product here is a very nice face cream that will help you to hydrate and moisturize your skin. And also their essence, that is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, is also a very nice essence that you can make use of. Now another good cream you can make use of is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So this is what this product actually looks like. This CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, it is very moisturizing on the skin. It will really help you to moisturize your skin very well. Now let's come to cleansers. A very nice cleanser you can make use of. Let's start with soap. Like a good soap you can make use of is from the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Cream Bar Soap. So this is what this soap actually looks like. This soap is moisturizing on the skin. This soap will not strip your skin of moisture at all. It's a very nice and a gentle soap on the body. You can also make use of Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash. Like this is a good example of body wash you can use. Dove products are gentle on the skin. This product is not going to strip moisture out of your skin at all. So this Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash is a very nice one that you can make use of. Now a good serum, most especially a niacinamide serum that you can make use of, is a Thiam Vitamin B3 Source serum. So this is a niacinamide serum, and this serum will be so nice if you have oily and acne prone skin. So another good product you can make use of is the Vaseline Blue Sea Jelly. Yes, Vaseline is very nice to help lock in moisture into your skin. That is when you're done with your whole skincare routine, you just go in and apply Vaseline on your skin. It will help you to lock in moisture into your skin, and it will give you more moisturization benefit on your skin. Now a very nice body oil that you can make use of is castor oil. Yes, castor oil is so moisturizing on the skin. Castor oil is very thick on the skin. I don't know if you've made use of castor oil before. It is super moisturizing on the skin. As a matter of fact, yes, as I'm even telling you all this skincare tip to achieve a healthy and a glowing skin during Harmattan period, me, I've already stocked up the products that I will use during the Harmattan period. And yes, I had to also get castor oil for my skin during this Harmattan period, and this is the castor oil I got for my skin. This one is the Sunny Eye Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So this is what this product actually looks like. Though I'm going to leave the picture of this castor oil on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. This is a very, like, ever since when I bought this castor oil is so moisturizing on the skin. Apart from this one, you can actually make use of the Fixest Cold Dream Castor Oil. So let me just apply this castor oil, let's say on this part of my hand, so you see how moisturizing this oil really is on the skin. So I'm going to take a little bit inside the cover, I only took a little bit. I don't want to take too much of this castor oil because I'm trying to like save my castor oil for the Harmattan period. I'm just using this to show you how moisturizing castor oil is. So I'll just pour this on my hands. Like the small thing I took, can you see how big it is? Anyway, let's just apply it on my hands. Can you see the way my skin is already moisturized? Like, I've not even brought this thing into my skin very well. Can you already tell the difference? Like, can you tell the difference? See this place. Can you see the way this place is so moisturized and glowy? And then see this place that I did not apply castor oil. So during this Harmattan period, I will advise you to make use of castor oil. Okay, castor oil, it is super moisturizing on the skin. Me, I've already gotten my own castor oil. So you too, you need to go and get your own castor oil. It will really help you to moisturize your skin very, very well. And then another good product that I can use during this Harmattan period is shea butter. Yes, Ori, and I have already gotten my own. Like, I am so prepared for this Harmattan period. I'm not even joking. I am so prepared for this Harmattan period. I got this little one for this Harmattan period because I also have other products like castor oil. I have Vaseline with me. I have even the body lotion I'm using. It's so nice. Like, it will really help me to deeply moisturize my skin. Now let's come to sunscreen. A good sunscreen that you can make use of that will be so nice. It will moisturize your skin. It will not leave a matte finish on your skin. It will leave a dewy and a glowy finish on your skin. That sunscreen is the Black Girl sunscreen kit. Let's say if Black Girl sunscreen kit is too like moisturizing for you, then you can make use of the Bondi Sand moisturizing face. So this sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 in it, and also the Black Girl sunscreen kit contains an SPF of 50 in it. Also, let's say if you have oily and acne prone skin, that is, you don't want a sunscreen that will give you breakout, that will break your skin, then you can make use of the Uncover Aloe Invisible Sunscreen. So this is what this one actually looks like, and it is so nice for all skin types, both sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. It is so nice for all skin types. Now, when I was talking about a hand lotion that you can make use of, like, this is the hand lotion that I got for myself. This is the XBC Expel Body Care. That's the full meaning of XBC Argan Oil. This is a hand and nail cream. So this is what this product actually looks like. This is the hand cream that I'll be making use of. Like, apart from this Harmattan period, I have been making use of this hand cream for a very long time, but during this Harmattan period, like, I'm so happy that I actually have this hand cream with me. So making use of a hand cream, it is very, very important. Now, talking about body moisturizers, you know, I only mentioned CeraVe moisturizing cream to you, which is a very nice body moisturizer that you can use. So if you need more body moisturizers that you can make use of during this Harmattan period, I have actually filmed a video where I reviewed 5 good body moisturizers for a dry and a flaky skin. Like I said, during Harmattan period, the skin tends to be very dry and flaky. Yeah, so I have filmed a video where I shared 5 good and effective body moisturizers that will help you get rid of a dry skin. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.